Ever wish you could set something up once and never think about it again? That's exactly what Schedule by Zapier is for, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to use it confidently. Let's jump right in, open your browser, and head to zapier.com. At the top right, hit Login. If you already have an account, just sign in with your Google credentials. Zapier makes this part quick and painless. Once you're in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Now we're going to create a new automation, or Zap. Click Create, then select Zaps. That opens the Zap editor. This is where everything comes together. Your first step is the trigger, which tells Zapier when to start the automation. Click the trigger field and search for Schedule by Zapier. Select it, and Zapier will ask what event you want. You'll see options like every day, every week, or at specific times. For this example, choose every hour. That means whatever you set up will run automatically once an hour. After that, click Test so Zapier can verify your schedule is valid. If it passes, move on to the fun part, the action. Click Action to choose what happens each time the schedule triggers. For this walkthrough, select Gmail from the integration list. Then choose the event you want, like send email. Before Zapier can act on your behalf, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account so it can connect securely. Once your account is authenticated, click Test again to confirm the action is ready to go. If everything checks out, you're ready to activate. Hit Publish, and Zapier instantly puts your new Zap to work. From now on, it'll run every hour automatically. No reminders, no manual clicks, no follow-up needed. And that's the full process. Log in, create a Zap, add Schedule as your trigger, choose how often it runs, add your action, test both steps, and hit Publish. In just a few minutes, you've set up an automation that saves time over and over again. If this helped you get a clearer handle on Zapier scheduling, stick around for more smart workflow tips and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.